Under these predefined profiles, there are two more commands that I'm going to examine right now. One of them is a keyhole profile. It is very easy to create, so I select this. It says I need a construction line in between, so I click for the two ends of this construction line, then the smaller circle. This is going to be my smaller circle, and then the bigger circle. You can see that a keyhole is going to be created for me. And again, I can move it to wherever I wish, and you can see the integrity doesn't fall apart because the construction element constraints, geometrical constraints were selected, and there is no problem with that. And I'm going to go for the last command, that is Polygon. So if I click this, you can see that the sketch tools bar is going to change a little bit. First of all, it asks me how many sides do I want to have. As a matter of fact, you can see that right now in my version of Catia, it only allows me to have 6 sides. So you may have more than this, but right now I don't have any more than this. So, and again, the other option says, do I want it inscribed or circumscribed? It says encircle or kind of circumcircle. So which one do you want to have? I prefer to have it inscribed. Right now it is selected, and I draw this from here. So I click here for the center, and then you can see that I only have 6 sides, and I can decide about the angle of that. I prefer to be 90 degrees, and this is going to be the radius, and that's it. So I created a hexagon or a polygon with 6 sides only. But like I said, you can have multiple sides if you wish by having a better version. Right now I'm using a student version of Catia, so it doesn't really let me to have more than these 2 sides.